Action!
Hello everyone, we are Tommy.
My name is Taeyong. I'm in the 6th grade in Songwon Elementary School.
My name is Eunju Baek and I'm 6th grade in Shinbuk Elementary School.
We will give a presentation, Heat. Sun. The sun is the closest star to Earth. The sun gives off light and heat. Living things need heat from the sun to survive. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and the earth. The moon blocks the sun, but the moon is never able to fully block out the sun. That is because the sun is much larger than the moon. As a result, their life persists. South Korea experienced a solar eclipse on July 22nd, 2009. People watched the event through special light filters.
Hands. When two things such as hands rub together, it is called friction. Friction between two sticks or two mats create heat. Friction turns kinetic energy into thermal energy. Kinetic energy is movement. Thermal energy is heat. Asian people use this basic knowledge. Lighters and matches did not exist. They had to find another way to catch on fire. They produce fire. So they used friction. Fire was used for warmth and for cooking. It was also used to keep animals away. Fire is made when heat is paired with objects that burn. Fire is the flame and heat that you see and the heat that you feel. Three things are needed to create fire. First, you need combustible materials. This is any dry material that can easily catch fire, like paper. Next, you need oxygen. Lastly, you need heat. These three things create a chain reaction. The chain reaction causes surrounding items to catch on fire. If one of the elements is removed, however, the chain reaction will stop and the fire is ceased.
Water. Heat can change the temperature of water. Heating water to its hottest point is called boiling. Water is made up of two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. This is water in its liquid state, but water also comes in other forms. It can also be a solid or gas. As solid, it is called ice. Water freezes at about 0 degrees Celsius. As gas, it is called vapor or steam. Water turns to steam when it reaches its boiling point, which is about 100 degrees Celsius. Weekly address. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Like many of you, Michelle, Sasha, Malia, and I are going to spend the day outdoors grilling burgers and dogs and watching the fireworks with our family and friends. It's also Malia's birthday, which always makes the 4th extra fun for us. As always, we've invited some very special guests to our backyard barbecue, several hundred members of our military and their families. On this most American of holiday, we remember that who serve here at home and overseas represent what today is all about. We remember that their families serve too. We are so grateful for their service and for their sacrifice. We remember that is the day when 239 years ago, our founding patriots declared our independence, proclaiming that all of us are created equal and endowed by our later was certain unalienable rights, including the rights, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. A couple of centuries later, we have made ourselves into a big, bold, dynamic, and diverse country. We are of all races, we come from all places, we practice our faith and believe in all sorts of different ideas. With our allegiance to this declaration, this idea is the creed that binds us together. It's what out of many makes us one. And it's been the work of each successive generation to keep this founding creed safe by making sure it was applied to every single American. Folks have fought, marched, protested, even died for that endeavor, proving that as Americans, our destiny is not written for us but by us. And finally, what better we can than this to cheer on Team USA. Good luck to the U.S. Women's National Team in the World Cup final. Thanks everybody. From my family to yours, have a safe and happy 4th of July. The end.